Most of our clients come to us because they're in a crisis and they're in a state of almost panic. They're so worried, especially the spouses who suddenly have an ill spouse that's critical and they don't know what to do about their health issues. But they're most concerned that they're going to run out of money. And so for me, no matter what it is, whether we're addressing the legal issues or the financial issues or the quality of care issues, the most rewarding thing about my practice is that when they walk out my door after that first meeting, I can just see they're relaxed and the sense of relief that they have because they're coming and finding the answers they need, and they know there are people out there who can help them with the whole picture, not just with one piece. The biggest fear is that they're going to run out of funds and run out of options. So I typically, it depends on where they are in their aging process. If they're early on, I try and convince them that one of the best things they can do is purchase long-term care insurance if they still qualify. Because if they have long-term care insurance in place, they have a whole host of options, and that will take care of them for the remainder of their life. If they've already got a diagnosis and they're already down the path where they can't qualify for long-term care insurance, then I again try to tell them, spend what you need on your care now, stay as healthy as you can now to stop the decline, and then you hopefully will avoid the nursing home altogether and be able to stay in your home and live with independence. Another fear I have is the unknown. There are so many spouses who their husbands took care of everything for them, and now their husbands are ill and they don't know how to write checks and balance a checkbook and just the ordinary activities that we take for granted. And so I help them understand that there are folks out there that can help them, and if they just will welcome them in and have a team put together, that every issue that comes down the road can be addressed in a way that will be a successful outcome for them. If the parent is one that wants to remain at home, then perhaps at the beginning you try and accommodate that. But you have to balance it with the second need, which is that typically those folks who move from their home into assisted living early enough, when they still qualify it, oftentimes avoid the nursing home at all, because the care they get at the assisted living improves their health, and then the assisted living facilities will work well with them, keeping them healthy and helping them age in place. So those are the first two things. The third thing I tell folks is that there are more benefits available once you get to the nursing home setting. So spend what you need now to pay for the care you need now or your parent needs now. And don't worry about saving for that rainy day that might be the nursing home, because you may be able to avoid it altogether if you get the help you need now. And that's a big push of the National Academy of Elder Law Attorneys, is that if you do early planning, you may avoid that outcome that everyone dreads, which is the nursing home.